got off the shuttle bus. I'm really scared. We're at Zion National Park. Woo!
We're going to the right, West Charlton.
Yeah, maps are boring, right, Nathan? Yeah.
And we hit up Lady
Let's go with the Grotto Trail.
Wait, where are we
Grotto.
going?
Then we go to the West
Oregon.
Rim Trail, then Angel's Landing.
We're on our first hike of the day at Zion National Park. You want to be in the video? Are you okay? What are you looking forward to on this hike? Nothing. It's been 5 minutes and I'm already tired. We're on the Grotto Trail, right? I think it's like 2.5 miles. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do. What's this called? I think this is called...
Negative! No, that's an elk.
Oh, she put her hand on her head.
No, elk. It's an elk.
Who said that?
Who told you it was a donkey?
Who said elks were white, girlfriend?
Yeah, who told you? What you mean?
Come on, donkey!
It's an elk. Who told you that elks are white? A rock told her that. Oh, great teacher.
Overrated! Open it.
Are you gonna
Open it. Wait, let's go to a workout. Stay like that.
Dude, you're gonna get in trouble!
Just get off.
Andrew! Oh my god!
Happy birthday, dear Mano. Happy birthday to you. Go before you go.
Ghost before you ghost.
Yes, right.
Our favorite couple in the back.
Go before you go.
Go before you go. Go before you go.
Go before you go.